Where's your? Oh, yeah,
So can you get the court update on job Sikhala?
the issue of jobs.
Can you, maybe you can just start with Hopewell. Can you just give us a brief update on Hopewell Chin'ono and the application that you did today?
As we are aware, when Hopewell Chin'ono appeared for the first time in the Magistrate Court on Saturday, the 9th of January, the state made an application that he be placed on remand. And as a defense, we were opposed vehemently for that matter to his placement on remand. The argument being that he's being charged under a piece of legislation which was repealed. The issue was dealt with conclusively by the Constitutional Court in July 2014, and the law that they are seeking to charge him under was struck out. It is non-existent, and that's the argument that we presented before the court, and the court indicated that it will make its ruling in due course. But tomorrow we are proceeding with a further leg of our argument as regards the fine print of the so-called video and the so-called Twitter, the contents of the Twitter that Hopewell is alleged to have made. So the matter is continuing tomorrow at 9 o'clock.
The magistrate initially indicated that he would provide ruling to that first leg at 3 p.m. Does it not strike as odd that it then changed?
To be precise, he had indicated that he was going to make the ruling at 2 o'clock. What changed, we do not know. Maybe it is a decision to deal with the matter in a wholesome way. But anyway, we will not know what was exercised in the mind of the court. We shall dutifully comply, and then tomorrow at 9, we shall present the second leg of our argument.
We saw Hopewell arriving this morning in leg iron. Is that normal for an accused person for this kind of offense to be put in leg iron?
Not for an accused person who is not a D-class prisoner. We wouldn't want to get into the attitude of the courts as regards putting unconvicted prisoners in leg irons. But I think it was overzealousness on the part of the prison officials. That was uncalled for.
Then can we get the update on job Sikhala?
Job Sikhala's matter is now proceeding tomorrow at 9 a.m. When we got into court, we placed complaints before the court relating to the impropriety of his arrest in circumstances that make it clear that he was being penalized for representing Hopewell Chin'ono. And when we placed those complaints before the court indicated that it would make a determination on the issue tomorrow. That prompted us, in the interest of his rights, to request the court to deal with the matter of his liberty first. And as we began to make arguments on the question of his liberty, the court then indicated that it was now time for its staff to go home, and therefore we were put in a position where we now come back tomorrow to start dealing with the question of whether he should be placed on remand or not.
Can you explain to us, apparently you came here with the accused in the morning at around 10, but the matter was only heard at around 1. Does this not worry you, especially when the court always says that it is short of time?
Well, the issue that we were told by the prosecution is that they were making requests to be provided with PPEs, which request was not granted to them, and they eventually came into court. But over the past few years in related matters, we've noted that the courts will be here by 9 a.m. as the court would have said, and the courts would always start very late, maybe at 1 p.m., 2 p.m., and within an hour, 30 minutes of making submissions, they will say, we are now out of time and we should roll over to the next day. We are not sure whether it's part of a systematic process of making sure that matters are not finalized on the same day, or there are genuine administrative issues to consider.
Is there anything that you can do as lawyers to deal with this matter so that it doesn't continue to recur?
We only work on the instructions of our clients. If our clients give us instructions to take any action, we will do as advised by them.
We also understand that Padzaima was arrested today. Are you in any position to give us an update on that issue?
I am unable to give an update. I only got confirmation that she is in police custody.
Thank you very much for your time.